Hey friends, if media streaming is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, I am assuming that Windows media player is the default media player here. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to repair Windows Media Player. And how would you do that? So search for Media Player in the Windows search bar. In the right pane, click on this downward pointing arrow and then select App Settings. Now scroll down. First click on Terminate to terminate the process and then repair it. Wait till you get a tick mark here, then reset it and wait till you get a tick mark here. This should usually solve the problem, but if it does not, then the last solution is to uninstall it and wait till it's uninstalled. Then search for Microsoft Store, open Microsoft Store, search for Media Player. Okay, and then go to Windows Media Player and click on Get. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.